to my channel, Glow with Candace, and if you're new here, welcome. I'd love to see you back on my channel, so hit the subscribe button down below to see future videos like this and more by me. And don't forget, hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified for any future uploads of mine. Today we're going to be going over a couple of new highlighters from a brand called Dose of Colors. This is my first time using this brand, and these highlighters were on sale and they looked beautiful and they had great reviews, so I thought I would give them a whirl. Dose of Colors is also a cruelty-free brand. Today I'm going to be doing swatches and real-time use and let you know how I think of these two highlighters I purchased. These highlighters retail for $28. I bought on sale for roughly $19.20, so they were a little bit discounted, so I'm super excited to go over these with you. The first one I have is called Dream On. This is the outer packaging. Absolutely beautiful, this black and shimmery, and also too, the shimmer kind of reflects the color that the highlighter is going to be, so it kind of looks like a pink gold, like a gold pink color, like a rose gold. So really pretty. I love the outer packaging. This is 7 grams. You guys know how I love highlighters, and you know how I'm always looking to find new brands, even though I have my go-tos, because these single palettes are really nice. Ooh, so this is the outer packaging. It has this iridescent foil around the edge on black. It's pretty sturdy, kind of thick, as you can see here, but definitely really sturdy, and I love the glitter. That's really pretty. I love glitter. Ooh, this packaging is super sturdy, and wow, I'm trying to get this plastic off because it's, oh, there we go. So it has this beautiful like geometric squares inside, and then of course you have the compact mirror. This is beautiful and very big. The packaging is sturdy, and it is so beautiful. It's very shimmery. I can't wait to swatch this and see how it looks. Oh wow, that is super buttery, so beautiful. Wow, that is pretty. It's better when I look at it in person. I feel like on the camera it's kind of hard to see. I shift my hand there you go. That is really pretty. It's not too loud, but it's a very beautiful glow that swatches beautifully. So the second one is called Icy You Baby, like Icy You Baby. So this one is more of a gold color. And as you can see here, the outside shimmer kind of reflects gold. So it's kind of cool how that resembles the color. Once again, beautiful outside packaging of the actual product. Ooh, this is beautiful. So once again, we have the geometric shape inside there. And it's just a beautiful light gold color. I cannot wait to try this on. Let's do a swatch here. Oh my, that's gorgeous. Look at that. I'm gonna put it right beside this one here. Ooh, that is so pretty. I like how they're not too loud, but they're super pigmented. Oh, those are so pretty. Wow, you guys, I'm so excited to try these on. You have no idea. I love highlighters. I haven't put highlighter on yet because of course I want to try this on for you guys in real-time use, see how it does with the application of the brush. I love to apply highlighter on my cheekbones and also up above my eye look, below my eyebrow. I think it gives a nice finish to your eyeshadow, and it's just a really pretty highlight as well. So for along the cheekbone, I'm just gonna be using a brush that I got from my Ipsy Glam bag years ago. I love the glitter. And I think what I'm gonna do with my look today, I'm gonna use the gold, the Icy You Baby, up above my eye look, and then I'm gonna be using, what was the other color? It was Dream On. I'm gonna use Dream On my cheekbones here. Oh, this is great. It goes on the brush beautifully. It's kind of hard to see because this color is a little bit sheer, but then of course, once you put it on, it has the nice reflection. So hopefully it'll transmit great on the brush. Wow. I love that. Look how beautiful that is. Just one sweep. That's what I love about highlighter. And it's not too, like, I like how it gives that natural look, but at the same time, it gives you a hint of color. Like, it's so naturally beautiful, but also it gives, I just love that. That's beautiful. I might have another brand in mind now. All right, so now we're gonna apply it to this side. Wow. You guys, that is just gorgeous. I love that. And one stroke and that's it. You go in once with your brush and this is the beautiful look that it gives. Like, I am very happy and content with that. Now we're gonna do Icy You Baby and we're gonna do it above the eye look here. I think this is gonna look beautiful with my look today and I'm super excited to use it. I'm gonna be using a Vanity Planet brush. I've talked a lot about these brushes, but this one in particular in the set is perfect for right above your eye look because it is thin. It doesn't get all over the place. You're not gonna get it into your eyeshadow look. You're not gonna get it in your eyebrow. Like, it's the perfect brush for this purpose. So. All right, so I scrubbed it around in there a little bit because it didn't seem to come off too apparent. But like I said, these ones are a little bit more sheer looking because they do give that more natural glow. So I think that is just natural with that. I'm not really seeing, let's try that again. I can't really tell. It just didn't really want to come off on my other eye. I don't know. Like, you know what? I think I'm just blind. It's there. It's just a very, like, this gold color is just really light. Like, that's just how it is. Like, you can see it. I'm gonna zoom out on my face so you can see it a little bit better, but it is just very light. So it gives that natural glow without being too much, but at the same time, it's beautiful and it's very well pigmented. So I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see. So as you can see, it does give that nice natural glow, but it's very pigmented. Like, this is a beautiful, like, this brand, I love it. Like, the price was right, like, it's beautiful on the skin. I'm just so happy with how it looks and how it performs. It's very pigmented. It gives that natural glow. Like, these highlighters, I feel like, are more like natural looking, just the two colors that I've experienced with. There are several colors to pick from on the ULTA website. I just picked two of the few. That Icy You Baby is considered a pearly white, so that is why it's very faint, but it gives a beautiful color. Honestly, I'm loving these. The fact that they give me a natural, beautiful look, but also give me the pigmentation I'm looking for in one stroke, I'm super happy. Like, I love these, and the fact that they're a single pan. I have so many highlighter palettes, but they can be hard to travel with and also a little bit harder to store. So this is a little bit nicer having a few single pans, especially that give me just that natural glow that kind of go with an everyday look. I definitely could pay full retail value for this just because I really do love the payoff. But if you do get it on sale, that's even better. I highly recommend these Super Glow highlighters from Dose of Colors. These are absolutely beautiful. If you can get them on sale, that's definitely the thing to do. That is what I recently did, and that's actually how I found the brand. Was I was just looking at ULTA sales and I saw good reviews, but not too many reviews, and I loved the shade ranges, so I thought, why not? I was kind of risky to get two, but I'm happy that I did. Thanks for stopping by with Glow with Candace. I hope you enjoyed this review and real-time use of a couple highlighters from Dose of Colors. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up down below. And if you're new here and want to see future videos like this and more by me, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to see you back on my channel. But until next time, bye!